Multi-tool blades are very, very good, but they go blunt very, very quickly if you're working with them. So I've spent a fortune on these blades over the years. I've had a Fein probably for the better part of 10 years and have spent an absolute fortune on the blades. Then I discovered a quicker way to sharpen these blades. This blade's blunt, yeah, and it's not cutting very well. So all I do is I take an angle grinder with a very, very thin blade, yeah, just to show you how effective this is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off all the old blades. You don't need to do it, but that's what I'm going to do here. So now that won't cut anything. Yeah. Then all I do, yeah. I'm just doing this very, very roughly. Yeah. But now, with the new blade, one new blade. It's not as good as the originals, but it still gets you out of a hole and it works very, very well.